Hello viewers, welcome to another video series. In this video I will show you how you can make your USB drive as a bootable Windows. So here at first you have to insert your USB drive here. So if there is any file or any document, so you have to first format your USB like this. Okay, so format is complete and now your USB is ready to bootable. So for this so what kind of Windows you want to boot? First of all you have to download your file. So you have to download the ISO file if you want to boot Windows. So Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, you have to download the Windows ISO file. So Windows Windows like Windows 7 ISO download. So there are different maybe there is a link of download. So I don't would like to download and install Windows 7. So I will show you how you can make bootable Linux Ubuntu. So for this I already downloaded this file in my computer. So this is a ISO file. Let me show you here. You can see Ubuntu, it's ISO file. So I already downloaded this file. So you just need two software, like you can use Yumi, this software, or you can use the Rufus, this software. These two software are used for bootable your USB drive. So I use Rufus here. Just open this software and it will automatically detect your USB drive. This you can see so I drive is my USB drive, and here you have to select your ISO file. So my ISO file is here. So you can see it's already detected my ISO file, and there is one option like partition scan. So there is two options, MBR and GPT. So what option you will select? So for this you have to find out what type of partition in your computer is available. So for this you select your desktop or this PC and click on manage. So from manage you will go, I again show you, select this PC and right click and click here manage, and then you have to select the disk management. So from disk management you can see there are all the disks available in my computer. So I just click here and press the right button and click on properties. So here you have to go the volumes. So from volumes you can see the partition style in your computer is MBR, master boot record. So for this, as my partition scheme is MBR, so I have to select MBR. So sometimes it may be in your computer it may be GPT, so you have to check it before boot. So I have MBR, so I select MBR, and here is my target system. By default you don't need to change it, and there is a volume level, so it's a default name, I will not change it. And there is a file system, and you can also check the file system here. You can see the file system is FAT320, sorry, FAT32. So by default I have FAT32. So in my USB drive, so my file system is this. So I will not change it. So everything is fine here. Now I click on start, and here it says write in ISO mode recommended. Okay, then press OK. Yes. Okay, everything is fine. Now it's starting. So it will take some time to copy all the file to my USB drive. You can see, you will see, I will show you that the icon of my USB drive will be changed after copying all the ISO file. So this will be what to say, a Windows. So here my file is ready. All the files are have been copied to my USB. Now I press start. Oh, sorry, it's already done. So I press on close button. Now I removed the USB from my laptop like this. Okay, and see, I again insert my USB to my laptop, and here you can see the icon of my USB has already changed, and there is all the files of Linux Ubuntu operating system is available here. It's all about the process how you can boot a USB. So that's all for today.